In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image block, place a text block over it, and style the final layout in Chrome. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to the page you want to work on. Once you're on the correct page, go into the design layout area where your grid, canvas, rows, and editor controls are available. This is the workspace where you'll be building and adjusting the visual section. When you're ready, click Edit so you can start making changes to the page. Next, look for the Add Block option. Click it to open the list of available components. From that library of options, choose the image block. Depending on the platform, it may be described with slightly different labels, but what you're looking for is the image-based content element. Once selected, it will be inserted into your layout, creating a new container for your visual content. Now, upload the background graphic or photo you want to use. Add that image into the newly created image block so it appears inside the layout container. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the right asset, since this image will act as the base layer for the design. A clear, well-sized image usually works best, especially if you plan to place text on top of it. After that, click Add Block again. This time, select the text block option from the available menu. This will insert a separate text element into the layout. Inside that text block, type the message or statement you want your audience to see. Keep your wording clear and readable, especially since the text will eventually sit over the image. Once your text is entered, click and hold the text block, then drag it directly over the top area of the image block. You're essentially layering the text onto the image so both elements work together as a single design. As you position it, pay attention to alignment and spacing so the text sits in a visually balanced spot. Next, resize the text block using its boundary handles. Adjust the frame until the text fits neatly within the image area and follows the layout as intended. You can then refine the appearance by changing the text contrast, colors, theme settings, or style parameters. The goal is to make the words easy to read against the background image, so contrast is especially important here. When everything looks aligned, readable, and properly styled, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've created a simple image and text layout with layered design inside your editor.